Hi, my name is Dennis Halterman. I'm a plant geneticist with the U.S. Department of Agriculture in Madison, Wisconsin. I grew up with parents who were science and math teachers and worked summers on my uncle's corn and soybean farm, so I had a mix of science and agriculture rooted in me from an early age. My research involves studying how plants interact with their environment, more specifically how they interact with microbes that can make them sick. The plant I study most is potatoes. Wisconsin is the third largest producer of potatoes in the U.S., and a lot of costly inputs like fertilizer, irrigation, and pesticides are used to keep potato crops healthy. When potato was first introduced to Europe in the 16th century, there was little emphasis on breeding for resistance to diseases. And even though potatoes had a memorable history with diseases, such as during the Irish potato famine, we still grow many potato varieties that are susceptible to a lot of different diseases. My work involves studying wild species relatives of potato, which have adapted to grow in diverse soils and environments, like high mountains, low valleys, dry deserts, or wet rainforests in Central and South America. Although most wild potato species make small potatoes that you would not want to eat, they could actually make you pretty sick. They exist in harsh environments without fertilizer, irrigation, or pesticides. My work is focused on identifying wild species that contain natural resistance to diseases, like late blight, that was involved in the Irish potato famine. Once we identify a species that contains resistance, our goal is to transfer that resistance into cultivated potato so that farmers can grow healthy crops using less pesticides. If you have any questions related to my research, feel free to email me at dennis.halterman@usda.gov or follow @HaltermanLab on Twitter. Thank you for listening.